In the next 3 lessons we're going to look at some of the properties of aluminium. In this lesson we'll look at the physical properties, in the next lesson its chemical properties, and in the 3rd lesson we're going to compare its properties with that of iron. Okay, so first of all it has a low density of 2.7 grams per cubic centimeters, which means that aluminium products tend to be very lightweight. It's a very useful property. It also has a high tensile strength. So its low density, lightweight and strength make it very useful for the construction business, particularly for example in constructing car bodies or aeroplane bodies. Now it also has a relatively low melting point compared with other metals such as copper or iron. Okay, so we're down to about 680 degrees Celsius. So that makes it useful for casting, and like many other metals it is malleable, so it can be hammered into sheets or plates, and it is also ductile, which means it can be drawn into wires, so that's useful for making cables. Okay, now another very useful property of aluminium is that it's a good conductor. Okay, it's not as good as copper, but it's a lot better than iron. So combined with the fact that it's got a very low density, then it's very useful, for example, for making overhead transmission line cables. So we're just going to talk about these just for a minute. These usually consist of a steel core. Okay, that steel core just provides that extra bit of tensile strength necessary to support these cables between pylons. So we've got a steel core, but the outer layers of the cable are made from aluminium, which has a much greater electrical conductivity than steel.